Hi there. I just wanted to make a note that if you are ever working on your roof, and it's always good to just inspect things, check everything's safe, um, and that would be the time to take notes and get it taken care of. What I found, which is a pretty serious hazard, especially since it snows up here, and the snow could get pretty high up above the electrical. And what I noticed, if you see here, that's supposed to be completely sealed to where you see no metal, and that metal right there is the high voltage line going to my power supply. You can see there's metal sticking up on both of the sticking out of both of the wrapped terminals, a little bit exposed there, and that's really dangerous. If I was walking and my leg ever bumped up against that, it would really be a bad day for me. So if you ever notice, or if you have a power pole sticking up like this on your roof, just give that a little inspection. Don't touch it at all, and just see if you see any metal exposed. You don't want to touch any of that. That will be a bad day for you.